Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save and export your work in Coreldraw 2022. To save your work in Coreldraw 2022, simply click on the file menu and select save. You will then be prompted to enter a file name and select a location to save the file. Once you have entered a file name and selected a location, click on the save button. Coreldraw will then save your work as a Coreldraw document.cdr. To export your work from Coreldraw 22, click on the File menu and select Export. You will then be presented with a list of file formats that you can export to. To select a file format, simply click on the name on the file format. You can then specify the export options for the selected file format. Once you have specified the export options, click on the Export button. Coreldraw will then export your work to the selected file format. You can also use the shortcut key Ctrl-E to export your file from Coreldraw. Here are a few tips and tricks for saving and exporting your work in Coreldraw. 1. When saving your work, it's a good idea to save it often. This will help to prevent you from losing your work if Coreldraw crashes or even if your computer loses power. 2. When exporting your work, be sure to select a file format that is compatible with the program that you will be using to open the file. 3. If you are exporting your work to a web-based format such as JPEG or PNG, be sure to specify the desired quality settings.